Hey guys, and welcome back. Catching me in my vintage shop today. There's Boba Fett. So as per request, a lot of you have said to me, if I ever find anything rare or interesting that might be up for sale in the Saab world, then I should make a video of it. And that's what I'm going to do today. So a friend of mine and myself, we've actually found this gorgeous vintage barn find Saab 92B, and we thought we would make a video about it today. So here we go. Welcome back to the Classic Saab Guy. Here we have a 1954 Saab 92B. This car is a barn find and is most certainly a restoration project. This car has been in storage since 1976. So it had 22 years on the road and a further 47 years in storage, and that time has certainly taken a toll on the condition of this car. However, that being said, we do believe this to be the original paint on the car, as we can see on the patina of the bonnet, and later when we look at the interior on the dashboard and on the door panels, the colour is consistent. As you can see here as we walk around the car, there's some clear patches of rust corrosion and some deterioration in the paintwork. In some cases the rust has gone through panels. Structurally the car seems pretty good. There has been some minor repair on one of the door seals, I can see. While there's some clear signs of rust in the footwells of the car, the panels on the floor behind the front seats are actually in good condition. The right inner corner of the boot has suffered with this rust damage, as you can see here. The seats clearly have not fared well and have probably been the home to some mice in its past. However, the roof lining and the dashboard are in very good condition. The door seemed structurally sound and the door cards are present inside the car. As you can see here, the engine bay is fairly clean with some patina on the surfaces, and you can see here that the rust on the bonnet has not gone through to the inner lining. At present, no attempt has been made to start this engine, but as anyone knows, these two-strokes are pretty easy to work on. That being said, we have stated that this car is a restoration project, and anyone that would take on this car would be very aware of what would be involved. A quick video there about that barn find. If anyone is interested, then you know what to do. Just send me an email, pop something in the comments. But yeah, look out for the next video, because there's going to be something even more interesting, a very, very rare Saab, and that will have a turbo involved. So look out for that. Anyway, thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you next time on the Classic Saab Guy.